Algorithms, the AI system was trained to recognize patterns and trends in the data. This allowed it to predict potential quality issues before they even occurred. The system could then alert the quality control team, who could take preventive measures. This proactive approach to quality control drastically reduced the rate of product returns, streamlining the production process and saving valuable resources. Through this AI-driven transformation, Kemco was able to maintain consistent quality across their products. They also saw a significant reduction in operational costs as the efficiency of their production process improved. The company reported a boost in their bottom line, demonstrating the financial benefits of implementing AI in quality control. Through AI, Kemco not only improved their product quality, but also saved resources and boosted their bottom line. Let's explore further how AI is reshaping the landscape of quality control in the chemical industry. So, what have we learned from Kemco's success story? Well, for starters, we've seen firsthand the transformative power of artificial intelligence in the realm of quality control. By integrating AI into their quality control processes, Kemco was able to significantly enhance the consistency and safety of their chemical products. AI's ability to analyze vast amounts of data with lightning speed and precision made it possible for Kemco to detect and address any quality issues swiftly and efficiently. Furthermore, we've noted the game-changing role of AI in mitigating human error and reducing waste, thereby contributing to a more sustainable and cost-effective operation. It's evident that AI is not just a passing trend, but a key driver in the evolution of the chemical industry. Looking ahead, we can expect further advancements in AI technology that will continue to revolutionize the quality control landscape. In the world of chemical products, AI is not just a luxury, but a necessity for maintaining high-quality standards. It's clear that the future of quality control lies in harnessing the power of AI